Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to use the running total tool in Alteryx or how to calculate the cumulative sum. Let me quickly show you the file which I am using right now for this particular example. So the file consists of 9 entries, right? So in record column you have A, B, C, which are strings, and there are 3 groups, right? 3 is repeated, A is repeated 3 times, B 3 times, and C 3 times. In the second column you have values against each record, right? So now in order to calculate the cumulative sum of these entries by each group. So here we have 3 groups A, B, C. You can use the running total tool from the transform tab. Just drag it and drop it on your canvas. It will open a pop-up window where it will ask you about the group by option, which is optional. This only use this when you want to group or to calculate the running total by some ID or a group variable. In our case, like ABC at ABC level. So here we have to choose the group or the string or the ID at which you want to group or calculate the cumulative sum or running total. So in our case, it's record. So I'm just checking this out, right? And then the second window, we have to select the variable with for which we want to calculate the running total. So right now we have a variable called value, which consists of the numbers. Just check this and go to the run tab, hit run. It will run your workflow and it will give you an output in the result panel. So if you carefully observe in the result panel, now there are 3 columns. One is record, right? Second is value, third is your running total. And if you can see carefully that A is first 3 entries is for A, value is 10, 5, 10, and your running total is 10, which is this. Second is 15, which is a sum of first two. Third is 25, which is a sum of first three. Now when you move to B group, again this value is reset. So in B group, for first entry you have 12, for second entry you have 24, which is a sum of 12 plus 12, and the third entry you have 26, which is a sum of first 3 entries of B record, which is 12, 12, and 2, and similarly for C, right? Just in case you want to calculate the total without a group by option, you can just uncheck this button and again click run again. But please be very careful while using this option because it will not take into account the grouping. So if you can see that in the running total column, the first entry is 10, second entry is 22, which is a sum of first two, 10 plus 12, third entry is 26, which is a sum of first three, 10 plus 12 plus 4, right? So please be very careful while using the running total or cumulative sum tool if you have data at a group level, right? So this will not give a correct answer. So this will also depend upon the problem statement which you are trying to solve. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel.